Hi, this is Brendan from Watto Training, and what I'm going to demonstrate to you now is how to negotiate a staggered intersection. First of all, a staggered intersection is an offset crossroad, and it essentially will look like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up to this situation up here. I'm presented with a give way sign, so I will give way as I come up, and I won't signal with my indicators. I'm not required to, because you wouldn't signal at a crossroad, so you don't have to signal at a staggered intersection. I'll come up, give way, make sure it's all clear, and then I'll steer the vehicle, dogleg it over to the left, and then drive straight ahead. And that is a staggered intersection. Okay, so first of all, I do my 6-point checks around the vehicle. I'm all clear. I go into drive, mirror, straight ahead, mirror, shoulder check, I'm all clear. I'm still monitoring that rear view mirror just in case someone comes up the road. I'm slowing the vehicle with the foot brake, and I'm starting to scan early. I'm still scanning. I've got blockouts on each side of the vehicle. Now I can see clearly to the right. Now I can see clearly to the left. And as I come over, I just lean forward. I make sure I don't cut the center line. Come around nice and steady. No signaling, and we've cleared that section of road. I'll just pull over here, indicator, making sure it's all clear. And we're parallel to the curb, complete stop, secure the vehicle, and that is the staggered intersection. If you have any questions or concerns or comments, please feel free to leave them at the Watto Training YouTube page.